How to update Dream League Soccer 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to update the Dream League Soccer 2026 game, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store, and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now go to the search bar and type in Dream League Soccer and search. Look for this Dream League Soccer 2026 game from First Touch Games Limited and check if there is an update button available on the page. If you see the update button, tap on it and your game's latest version will be downloaded immediately. If you don't see the update button, it means you are currently running on the latest version already. After the update is done, just give it a minute or two depending on your internet speed, and then launch open the game and enjoy the latest feature, transfer, and improvements. So that is how you can easily update Dream League Soccer 2026 game on your Android or iOS devices. Updating your game keeps it fresh, smoother, and more fun. New players, bug fixes, and better gameplay awaits you. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.